G'day everyone, welcome back. If you watch my channel a fair bit, you'll know that I love to travel, and having a lot of equipment, that poses quite a problem from a packaging and transport point of view. And I found the perfect solution, and I'm going to review it for you today. It is the Lowepro Flipside 400 AWII. Let's have a look. Okay, so there's a number of really cool features about this bag, the first of which being the security. The zip is actually on the back of the bag, directly up against your back, and what that means is that no wannabe thieves can actually get in there, unzip your bag and steal your equipment, pickpocket style. That's a very handy feature. And probably my favourite feature of all is the ability to actually go through your bag, get your equipment out without actually taking the bag off. And away you go, ready to fly, just like that. Or it could be anything. It could be your Osmo, could be your microphone you're looking for, could be an SD card. The bottom line is, you don't have to take the bag off your back, and that's one heck of a feature. Okay, so here it is. It's quite a compact bag, but you'd be amazed the amount of stuff that you can fit inside it. If you open up the front package, the front container, and fold that down, you'll see there's room in here for a tablet. I've got actually an iPad Pro in there comfortably. You can stack hard drives, phone chargers. There's a key ring holder, plenty of room for your wallet, anything like that, anything that you need to get to quickly from the front. Moving to the main compartment now, you can see everything fits in really snugly. Everything's fully customizable. So depending on what your rig is and what your needs are, you can move all of these things, all of these sleeves around. They're all Velcro and they all come off nice and easily and can be shifted around. You'll see I'm set up there. I've got my Mavic Pro just sitting nicely in the middle. Plenty of room for the controller up the top there. Tripod suction cap mount. Plenty of room for as many batteries as you need, microphones, anything you can imagine that you want to take with you. There you go, I've got my GoPro as well in there, spare props, and there's really no limit. Your imagination is the limit to this bag. The build quality of this bag is absolutely fantastic as well. It's made from a sturdy polyester finish. The zips are durable and strong and they don't feel like they're going to break when you pull on them. There's plenty of padding all around, and that includes in the middle. So the compartments that can be moved around by Velcro are all padded, which means that your equipment is not going to bounce around in your bag and get damaged because everything is securely stored away and separated by padding. There's also good padding on the back as well, around on the waist straps, which keeps that comfortable. And directly on the back as well is very, very softly padded, which means it's extremely comfortable to wear. Another neat little feature here, just a minor one, is your ability to pack and take a tripod away with you without sacrificing any of the internal space. If you have a look on the top here, just a small little Velcro compartment. Out comes a clip lock tripod holder, and then if you go fishing in the bottom, so you've got a little pouch there so you can rest your tripod in the bottom and then wrap the top strap around it and carry your tripod down the front of the bag as well without sacrificing any of the room inside the bag. Now the bag itself is not actually waterproof, but another cool feature that it does come with is its very own waterproof sleeve. Simply slip that out and you're good to go. Your precious equipment is protected from the elements. At 199 Australian dollars, it's certainly not the cheapest bag on the market, it's also not the most expensive. But for me, who loves to travel a lot and has a lot of equipment that I like to take with me on the road, this is the absolute perfect solution. It's everything I've been looking for in a camera bag. So I'd thoroughly recommend the Lowepro Flipside 400. Absolutely fantastic piece of kit, well worth the 200 bucks in my opinion. For what it's worth, this is in no way a paid promotion or endorsement. I paid full price for the bag and I'm more than happy to give it 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. It absolutely meets my needs as a traveling drone enthusiast. It's a perfect all-in-one solution. If you are interested in buying the bag, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can click through to. But that's it for now. This has been my review of the Lowepro Flipside 400 AWII. Absolutely fantastic piece of kit. Thoroughly recommend it. If you have any questions, leave them in the description below. I'll endeavour to get round and answer any questions that you may have. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.